The harpy eagle, with talons as long as a bear's claws and a 2-meter wingspan, it's the master of the aerial ambush. If a monkey is under the canopy, it's out of the harpy's reach. It's only when one breaks cover that it becomes available. The harpy's way of hunting comes at a price. To fly with prey as heavy as a monkey, it must build enough muscle to become the most powerful eagle on Earth. Raising a harpy chick, therefore, takes an extraordinary commitment. Harpies have the longest period of parental care of any bird of prey. They feed their chick for up to 2 years. In that time, the parents will bring it over 200 monkeys and sloths. It must spend many more months building up its flight muscles for the heavy lifting ahead by working out at the jungle gym. Trying to hide from monkeys is not easy. There are more straightforward options for the chick's first encounter. A 3-toed sloth. It should be a formality, but even sloths fight back. It's a valuable lesson. Hunting the jungle's larger animals is never simple.